let's make a nature journal! A nature journal is a place you can record anything you see while outside in nature, or simply out your window. Onward and let's make a nature journal word! Here's what you'll need. A large piece of cardboard, safety scissors, a hole punch, brightly colored yarn, ooh, my favorite, glue or clear tape, a brown paper bag or construction paper, crayons, colored pencils, or craft paint. Nature materials, of course. Step 1. Cut your brown paper bag or construction paper to make the pages for your notebook. The pages should be big enough for you to draw and write on them. Whoa! You did it! Yeah! Step 2. Build the cover. Cut your cardboard into 2 pieces that are slightly bigger or the same size as your pages. These pieces will be your front and back covers. Cardboard can be hard to cut, so ask a grown-up for help. Step 3. Carefully stack and line up your pages. Use a hole punch to punch at least 2 holes through the stack. If your pages are large, add a 3rd hole in the middle. Step 4. Line up your cardboard covers with your pages. Use a pencil to mark the center of where your holes are. Use a hole punch to make the same number of holes you have for your pages. Make sure the holes for the cover and pages line up. Step 5. Cut pieces of yarn into equal lengths, about 8 to 10 inches each. You want 1 piece of yarn for each hole. Step 6. Thread 1 piece of yarn through a hole and tie a knot with a bow. Repeat for each hole. Step 7. Time to decorate! Now that your journal is assembled, decorate the cover. Step 8. Now that our journal is finished, head outside and start adding entries. But make sure you check with a grown-up before you go. One helpful tip is to include the date whenever you make an entry. That way, you'll know what time of year you made your observations. All nature observations are welcome in your journal. There you have it. You now have your very own nature journal. Now get outside and explore. Tally-ho!